just want to let you know before I start this video that this is not a paid review. I did not receive the product for free, but I will at the end of the video let you know what I think about the product. So I guess it's sort of a review, but it's my opinion about the product and whether I think it's worth buying or not. Well, hello guys, and welcome back. I haven't done one of these for a long time, but it's going to be, well, I was going to say a DIY video. It sort of leads to a DIY video. I have just ordered and received a cardboard box. Okay, perhaps it's more interesting what's inside the cardboard box. I'm not worried if you see my address, because it's to the post office, because I've just picked this up from the post office, who were very, very kind to me, because when I ordered it, I asked for it to be sent Royal Mail, and of course they did not send it Royal Mail. After specifying they would, they sent it via Hermes. Well, fortunately, I went to the post office and said it was coming, and they were so kind, they said they would accept the package from Hermes for me. So the little sub-post office here at Atherstone at Coles Hill, thank you very much to them for receiving my parcel for me. So I guess it's time to open it up and show you what I've bought. Well, before I open it up and show you what I've bought, if you saw one of my very early videos, I'm actually in the back cabin, and the back cabin had bunk beds in. Well, it's slightly changed nowadays. I've actually moved the refrigerator out here because it was struggling with the cables it was connected up with not being heavy duty enough. I've built in shelving. I've got stored things in here. I have my printer in here. It's underneath that cloth just to keep dust off. All my stuff for printing, mounts, etc. down there, tools, cutter. So yes, it's been turned into a little workshop area really now, and my anti-draft device from the back door. That keeps an awful lot of draft out, I can assure you. So anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get on with the video. So here we go then. One utility knife. Let's open her up. Find the way in. I think it's over here. Undo all the tape. Try to keep it in the shots and open it at the same time. There goes. One leaflet. One pair of gloves. One battery. Two batteries. One charger. Two chargers. One handle. Now for the important bit. One cordless chainsaw. Well, the main body of it anyway. One chain bar. One 2, 3 chains. Tool to put it together with, and a safety handguard. And one empty box. So now, to put it all together. On plastic bag. The destruction manual. Of course, I don't have my glasses. Operation, application, maintenance, troubleshooting, spare parts, safety, battery. I don't speak German very well. Well, it doesn't tell you how to put it together. It tells you all about it, but not how to put it together. So, it can't be that difficult. In the words of Jeremy Clarkson, how difficult can it be? That's obviously the oil reservoir there. Don't need that. Super power chainsaw. Right, let's open this up first. Yes, I know that's not a sensible thing to open a bag with, but guess what? One chain. I can unravel the chainsaw without chopping my fingers off. There we go. Managed to fathom out the chain and get it unravelled. That must be a tensioner. Helps if you put the chain on the right way, of course. Rotation would be that way, which is, yes, the custom way, that's right. Rotation, cutting edge, going in the right direction. That's one bit of good news, it goes that way. I can't believe there's no instructions on here how to assemble it. Oh, perhaps there are. No, inserting and removing the battery. I'm just going to go and grab my glasses. Right. Remove the cover. Right. Remove the cover. Those screws there. Yeah, there we go. Move the cover. Take one chain. Which goes round there. Over there. Like so. Sorry about the noise in the background, but I've had to start the engine to get enough power for charging everything up. You can see both batteries are on charge here. And while the batteries are charging, I'm going to fix the handles. One screw there. Screw there. This one's already in the handle, which has got to come out. So that will fit there. Right, I've got to turn the camera off to tighten it up now. I've got it there now. All I've got to do is tighten it up. Like so. So there we go, that's that there. Got one more bit to fix on here. Take these screws out here. Take these screws out. See, there's 3 screw holes here, but there was only 2 screws in there. I'll just put the 2 back in for now. I'll check the box in a minute in case one had fallen out in the box. I don't think it's going anywhere with 2 screws in there. So there we have it. That's all assembled now. I need to put some oil in the chamber. But besides that, she's ready to go as soon as they're ready to go. Well, I see it's all black on black, but you can probably see there the 2 green lights are on. So the 2 batteries are all charged up. So let's put them into the chainsaw and see how it works. So here we have it. I'm sat on my back deck at the moment, and I'm stood actually inside the boat because it's easier to film from behind the camera then. So batteries, one goes in there, and one goes in there, like so. Now hopefully we're ready to go. Well, I hope you can see me there. I've got this set up at the moment for the camera really. I'm going to move this, but it's where I could put the camera and show you how it works. So I have a piece here of hawthorn, I don't know, 6-7 inches in diameter I'm guessing. I've got my safety glasses on, pair of gloves. Let's go for it, shall we? One saw. Hey presto, it works. I've got to be a little honest with you. I thought I'd made this take on a couple of pieces ago. I forgot to turn the camera on. As you can see, works perfectly. I'm not sure how long it will last. It says an hour and a half. If it lasts half an hour, I'll be happy. Well, that was something a little different, wasn't it? A little bit of a DIY project I'm doing. Sawing firewood. That's something us boaters, which are broke, do all the time. We gather firewood. This I found then going down towards the Coventry Basin a couple of weeks ago. Been sawn down and left behind by the arbiters for us boaters to pick up. Great stuff. I'm going to keep warm from this. Hawthorn burns really, really well. I've also got some lovely seasoned ash to cut up. So we should be keeping nice and warm. Well, I'm very impressed. I've just sawn up all these big pieces. This has got to be at least a foot in diameter. All of this just been sawn up. All these big chunky pieces, all hardwoods, all just been sawn up. Roof is now clear. Everything's sawn. Took me half an hour, and the battery's still going strong. So that impresses me. Still going really well. And I've just cut through this chestnut. You know, this is the last piece I just cut, is this chestnut, and it went through it like butter. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So, all in all, what do I think of this cordless chainsaw? I think it's very, very good value for money. It will do everything I need it to do, and probably a lot more. The only thing I did notice, the chain perhaps does not spin quite as fast as a more expensive one would. But saying that, it cuts perfectly well. It cuts very quickly for a cordless chainsaw, in my opinion. And yes, I would purchase one of these again. Hopefully I don't ever need to purchase one again, but I would recommend it. As an alternative to a very expensive one, I think it's definitely worth thinking about. It comes in about 1/5 of the cost of a similar product made by Stihl. So it's a huge saving. And I'm pretty sure that you wouldn't need to buy 5 of these in the lifetime of a Stihl. I would just like to add that I purchased this from all the very kind and generous people out there that subscribe to my Patreon and send me money via PayPal. Without your support, I would never have been able to have purchased this product. So my heart and my thanks goes out to all of you, and I consider it a fantastic Christmas present from all of you out there. So that brings me to the end of the video. It just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.